Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at another money-making app called Lucktastic. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money from home or from your phone. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, and that is every single day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the app. And I also wanted to mention we are doing a gift card giveaway. We're going to announce the winner on March 31st. So if that is something you are interested in, go ahead and check out the description below this video for more details. And so this is the app that I was talking to you about. I have personally not tried this app, but I did want to take a look at it and kind of get an idea as to how you can earn money, win prizes, and get rewards with this app. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. This is the logo. They do have a video on the app, and apparently some people that have won money and prizes from this app already. And we're gonna come back and take a look at the images. This app has been rated at 3.9 star out of 5 stars, and it has been rated by over 300,000 people. So it is a pretty popular app. And of course, we got the reviews here. We have there is a section for positive reviews and other ones that are more like on the negative side. But if you're interested in reading more or learning more about other people's experiences, you can come and take a look at it here. And also, if we scroll down at the bottom, at the bottom of the review section, you will find the developer contact information, where you can email them or send them a letter with your questions, comments, concerns, whatever you have about the app. This is where you will find the developer contact information. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at the images just to get an idea as to how we can, what are the options to win money or earn rewards and different prizes in this app. Okay, so they do have scratchers. That's what it looks like here, where you can match the symbols and it'll reward you with a prize or money. And they do have excuse me, they do have games as well. They have games, and okay, so that shows little winners, and it save up tokens to redeem rewards. Okay, so they do reward you with money and tokens as well. So you can save up your tokens for I believe gift cards. These are gift cards that you can earn for restaurants and different places. And it says use tokens to enter contests for even bigger prizes and experiences. Okay, so they do have contests that you can enter by using your tokens, and easy to claim your prize. So it looks like they do have the option to either redeem with a gift card. They can mail you a check. They can send you a Visa gift card if you have $100 or above. Okay, they have coming soon American Express and Walmart gift card, and then Best Buy gift card. Those are, it says it's coming soon. And then okay, so they, like we already said, they do have scratchers. Okay, I think they just repeated the images to show you more options that they do have. For instance, if you wanted to use your tokens to redeem gift cards, they show you more options here. And yeah, I think they just repeated the images here. Or am I just going around? No, I'm not. Okay, so that's now we have an idea as to, we have more of an understanding as to how this app works and everything. But we're going to read into the about section and just learned a little bit more as to what they have to say about this app. It says test your luck to win real prizes and gift cards from scratch cards and sweepstakes. Scratch and win with Lucktastic. Play 100% free scratch cards. Pick your theme. Swipe to scratch and test your luck. Our scratch card games are updated daily with new themes, including Digging for Gold, Lucky 777, and more. Win daily just by playing. Lucktastic key features: all new fun scratch cards games daily. New scratch card themes released daily, including fan favorites such as the Pirate Shipwreck and Lucky Stars. Special seasonal and holiday theme games. Enable push notifications to receive special limited cards daily. Collect tokens and climb the ranks. Win fabulous trips, items from your favorite brands, and more. 100% free to play. With over 1 million real winners, you could be next. New scratch card games are added often, so be sure to keep your app updated for even more opportunities to win. Download Lucktastic today and win big. Lucktastic is 100% free to download and play with no deposits or in-app purchases. Is it your lucky day? See what you can win with Lucktastic right now. Get pumped for the gas for a month contest. Take a bite out of your budget with the groceries for a month contest. Get what you want from Amazon winners daily. Congratulations to a few of our recent winners, and they do provide the names of some of the winners. And it says download Lucktastics and see if it's your lucky day. For all the latest news and exclusive winning opportunities, make sure to like and follow Lucktastic, and then they provide you their social media accounts here, and also they provide you an email where you can write them as well. And you must be a U.S. resident to play, available in the USA only. So that's another thing to keep in mind. I know some of you guys are located in different countries. I'm so sorry. We'll eventually come up to another app that you guys will be able to participate, but this one is not available worldwide. It's only for the U.S. residents. Okay, so that's this app. We kind of have an idea as to how it works, what you can do. And like I said, I don't have any personal experience with this app. I have not used it, so I can't really tell you if it's redeemable or not. But if you want to know more about that, maybe you can come and read in the review section and see if you find people that are saying that they have actually been able to redeem their tokens or redeem their money that they have won, and that way you have an idea as to what to expect before you download this app, if it's something that you want to try out. But if you have had any experience with this app, don't hesitate to share your experience with us in the description below. We would really like it when you guys share your experience, your insights. If you know anybody who have had any experience with this app, it also helps as well for us to contribute with each other in this community. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for the support that you guys show, and for those of you who are tuned as soon as our videos launch every day, you guys are there watching the video, liking it, commenting. We really like that. I really appreciate it. And also, I just wanted to take a little moment to share something with you guys. I know I have told you guys that I have a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers before April 23rd. And that's because I gave myself 90 days to post a video every single day and see how far I was going to grow. And then I set myself that goal as well in January. Well, let me tell you guys, as you guys know, I have been posted videos for every single day since January 23rd. Actually, I think I started January 20th. And I have gained over 100 subscribers in the last 30 days, which has not happened in the past before. So I just wanted to take a little moment and appreciate you guys, and also show my appreciation to you guys, and tell you that every single one of you guys counts so much. And you guys, if any of my videos, even if you're not a subscriber, if any of my videos have provided any useful or helpful information to you, I am so glad that you came across the video, or that you came across this channel. Like I said, even if you are not a subscriber, I appreciate your time. I appreciate every second of your time that you spent watching one of my videos. And if it has provided any useful information to you, I feel happy about that. I feel glad that what I'm doing, it's helping people. That's what I'm happy about. Okay, so I'm thinking maybe next week I'm gonna record a video as to the little tips and tricks that I did to gain that over 100 subscribers in the last 30 days. So stay tuned for that. And then also, as you guys know, my main my number one recommendation into building a long-term passive income stream is something else. I don't really do do full-time using these apps and gaining prices and things like that. That's not what I do full-time. I actually have a different source of income, which that one is my main source of income. So if you are interested in learning more about it, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. I will go ahead and share that with you guys. But I don't want to do this video too long. So thank you so much for your time. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also check out the description for the gift card giveaway that we are doing. And like I said, thank you so much, and until next time.